Nginibingelela nonke nibuka le video. I-video iqhubeka le question esenzile le. Then zobheka i-video engiyenzile before le. Yeah. Then mase kuthi ke iyona question lesalile ogcina because of isikhathi. Bathi lana sketch a velocity time graph in the answer book for the motion of ball A. Bese no ball A angithi. Ball A wethu lo uhamba la wazuzofika phansi. Then sketch in a velocity time graph then of ball A from the time it is projected until it hits the ground. Shuthi sidwebe i-velocity yakho ukuthi behave kanjani from that point esusa la as until to the point efika la phansi. Then up until to the ground. Base bethi clearly show the following in your graph. Then izinto ozoyishowa lezi. Then yini oyishowayo is the initial velocity. Initial velocity sikhuluma ngoball A kuphela yabo. Ubuye bamfaka ngala le statement. Then initial velocity the time it takes to reach its maximum height. Then that's from la to la. So show lezi sikhathi sikanani. Then the time it takes to return to the starting point. Yeah, the time it takes to return to the starting point. Yeah, is on it to the starting point angithi uqale pho A. Wona uzicabanga nje ukuthi bafuna yiphi starting point la, kanti uqale la isikhathi siphi lesi. Starting point sakhe lesi. Then i-maximum height yakhe yiphi ile la. Okay, kulungile ke. Then sesenza njani? Bathe yini bafunani? The initial velocity for ball A. Ball A be positive iya kuphi? Upward. So upward is positive, then positive 15. Shuthi 15 wethu inumber negative la, i-velocity la, time la. Then so uthini ke i-velocity yethu so 15 nje sinibeke nje mhlawumbe la 15 ama units nawo la eceleni shuthi usuke la okay la esa point of 15 meters per second isikhathi sisuke sewu0 la as initial wakhe la isikhathi sisuke sewu0 no velocity samile sewu0 singakamsusi ukuthi ahambe then yonke into esasela ku0 samile la i-time ekaka account is the initial part le engakazuki. Then mase bethini i-velocity time graph iba i-straight line. Then yeah, it's just a straight line graph. Then siyabheka ukuthi from the initial velocity yakhe la beyu15, then from ikhuphuka ithi masifika la ezikhuphuka beyincipha ngithi igcina seyihamba kancane, igcina seyu0 la i-velocity beyiloku decrease ihamba kancane ifuna ukushisha ibuye ize la phansi. Futhi as siyaphezulu so veka maximum height kwenzakalani nge-velocity yethu iya decrease. Futhi lo line lo kumele wenze njani? Kumele uthi go up or go down. Mawuthi go up approacha inumber enkulu 17 20. Futhi kumele wenze njani? Uye phansi kanje. Akumele futhi uhambe uthi uye straight line. Why? Because silokhu njani yethu uzothini? Nesikhathi sethu senza njani? Siyashintsha but not constantly. Okay, kulungileke so sini okay hayi kanjani futhi makuyi straight line kwenzalani kuthi makuyi straight line kanje i-velocity yenza njani? Ayishintshi i-velocity yethu la, ayishintshi i-velocity mangabe sile straight line. Futhi kumele kube yinto e-curved kanje futhi approach obani u-time o increaseayo mayithi iyakhombisa no time ya increase. Then futhi senza njani as iya ilokhu njani yethu iya upward yenza njani i-velocity yethu iya decrease it. I-decrease izofika kweni kwi-maximum height. I-maximum height isuke i-velocity yakhona sewu0 lapho khona i-velocity sewu0 kuphi ila futhi iya decrease la sesikuphi sesiku-maximum height la sesiku-maximum height. Bathi asiveze ini isikhathi esishaya ukuze ifike ku-maximum height. Sisibalile sathi ubani nasi la sisibalile la sathi 1.53 uzokhumbula uma ubuka le video 1.53 ukuze afike maximum height. Wenza njani? Waqhubeka phela u-A bathe thina sidwebe from la up to the starting point or up to ilokhu njani up to the ground. sesiyabheka ukuthi esuka ku-maximum height yenze njani i-velocity yakhe. I-increase-ile kodwa i-increaser in a downward direction. Shuthi increaser along ama-negative numbers. Iya-increase. Shuthi yenze njani iyaqhubeka. Ukuze i-increase-ke kuma-negative numbers. Ama-negative numbers -17, -30. Kumele iqhubeke la. Iqala ku-0 from negative number. Mayi-increase yenza njani? I-approach -2, -2. U-negative lo la akasho ukuthi incane. Isho ukuthi is in a opposite direction, downward. Iyahamba futhi yathi. Ihambe iyabuya manje. Funa ihambe ibuyize la. Ihambe ipath elinganayo isikhathi esifanayo. Kusho ukuthi le piece le ithatha isaya phezulu elingana nale piece efika la. Nale piece le la. Masibuya phansi. Short la. Sithi seyifikile phansi isikhathi. Shuthi la seyi-reach ground la. Because seyenza njani? Sekuyisikhathi ilo ipath elingana lela. Sithini isikhathi ngoba se-reach i-ground. Sithi ubani 3,06. Isikhathi sinithathe from uswala a-return 3,06 la. 3,06 bathe thina sidwebe up until to the point it reaches the ground. Asazi ukuthi sizo-reach isikhathi mase kuba. Shuthi kumele siqhubeke singayicini la. Siqhubezele sithi izoqhubeka. Ya, mase uyishiya kanje. Awazi ukuthi izonjani ngithi. Because ayibhawunsanga uzovela uyimise nje la. Shuthi final position yayo le. Then ya, kwenzeka kanje kule graph. It's for so indicator is for point A. Ya, bekuyiyona question le kade siyenza. Then for ama-marks wakhona I think it's 4 marks. It's 4 marks bengicabanga la. It's 4 marks.